Hello everyone, welcome to another update. This is the tomato seedlings you are looking at, and we are actually bringing you days 20 update. I basically didn't get the chance to give you days 19 update. Nevertheless, this is how they look at days 20. As you can see, they have grown a bit, and they are looking quite beautiful so far, and they are looking green and healthy. So yes, as you can see also what I was explaining to you, these need some water. Of course they are not totally dried out. It is good to have that balance. You don't want it to be overly dried, and you don't want it to be overly soaked or wet, so you want to keep that balance, right? So of course, again, this is days 20 update, and you're looking at the tomato seedlings, and I'll see you again in another update.